So I joined U Jumpstart because I wanted to learn how Dublin works behind the scenes.
Yeah, I joined for the same reason. I wanted to learn more and further my knowledge in this local government, and my favorite part so far has definitely been getting to actually see the Justice Department and City Hall in person.
I joined this because I wanted to learn more about the economics behind how Dublin works and operates, because that's something I'm really interested in.
I really loved just seeing how the different parts about Dublin do work together. The intricacies of it, how like the sign shop works with the Dublin Irish Festival, who work with the police department, and just kind of seeing and realizing how much work goes into small things that we just drive by every single day.
My favorite part of this entire thing so far is like the friendships I've built